Hello, everybody. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Tradez. This is Rav here. We are going to trade with Sliver Bullet trading system, the Sliver Bullet Pro software. So I'm going to load my chart here. The software here. And I need to decide what account I want to trade with. So give me a second here. I want to make sure I choose the right account. So I'm going to trade with this one. All right. Maybe I should choose a different one. All right. So here I have my contrarian 2 strategy on. Market is on the upside today. So it's trending upwards. I started to trade a little early today and already made some profit in a couple of accounts. Here you see.
Target filled.
So the software took a trade automatically. I'm going to give it some rooms to play. It's kind of range bound now. If when it comes closer to the 60 level, somewhere here, I'm going to scale in. Yeah, it trended nicely here, so I thought I would go live, but now again it's market is ranging. All right, so I have measured my level. I will come out for break even if it comes closer to my target. I will close it because market could turn to the higher side. And I want to show one more thing here. Okay, it's pushing down hard now. So I'm going to
Order submitted.
Place a resting order at 50. So that we added new feature. It's going to be released with version 3 that
Filled.
so oops, this did not close. I did not move. Usually, when its market is very fast, so normally it moves the target to break even automatically. Here it did not. So I had to move it manually. So this is something we have to keep in mind. When it's a fast-moving market, the target does not move automatically. Then we have to move it on our own. And it's coming hard, so I have to see whether I want to close this trade or I am going to take the hit here if it comes below this pivot, because I don't want to blow my account.
Target filled.
All right, so this
Target filled.
okay. So I came out for break even in this trade. Not total break even. I made $185. It gave me a little bit of heat, as you have seen. I took trade automatically, especially when the market was ranging. Not a great place to take the trade. But when it came down, I used a resting order at 21,050 level, and then came out for break even in that one leg that did not get closed, or one position, one contract that did not get closed. So here I'm going to still my outlook is long, so I'm going to reduce my target, contract, and trade with only one contract, and see if I can get a decent trade here. So this, I hope it came to grab liquidity here. So here on, I expect it to go back up. I'll remove the Heikenhashi.
Filled.
All right, the trade was taken. So yeah, upside is not as smooth as it was. So it's now coming down. So I'm not liking the situation we are in. I'm going to take a smaller profit and close it and wait for the market to show a clear direction. Else, my approach would be to use the same and two contract break even.
Order submitted.
Oops, not here, but here somewhere. I want to keep a resting order here. If market comes down big time against my position, I will have it closed. Because again, it came down and it's now range bound again. So I want smooth uptrend. Smooth uptrend. If you want to know what I mean by that smooth uptrend, I will show you in this chart here. You see, this is all garbage. It's not smooth uptrend. Here, I thought it's going to go up, but now again, it's in the sideways zone. So
Target filled.
Okay, I'm closed. I'm happy. I did not let it. So now I can do what I want with this trade. I can cancel it or move it here, which is not a bad position. Around. Let me change this to NQ as well. I'm not really happy with this where it is, so I am going to maybe cancel it.
Order canceled.
So $240, not bad in just two trades. Now market is coming down, and hopefully to grab some liquidity from here. So if it does, I could use a contrarian, churn trades. No, it did not go down this far. If it had stretched, I would have tried to take a churn trade there. No. Use a counter trend strategy, churn trade. So the market is going against the this big green bar.
Order filled.
I'm hoping that we'll still see some upside, but you never know. It's coming down hard. When it comes down hard, I don't like it. So now I think characteristic is changing. I'm going to be careful. Not doesn't look like a long market. We will grab liquidity and go back up. I'm not liking it. So is it going to go back up? Grab the liquidity, yeah. Go back up. A little bit of green and I'll feel more confident. Okay. So push up. So I think it came to 2SD level and then it's trying to go back up. Now I'm in a tricky situation whether to keep move the target to the higher level or all right. So it's trying to go back up. Hopefully. Let's see. I'm going to close it. Right. If it goes back up, I'm going to close it. Else, I have to do something to salvage the position. This is not looking good. I should have, in hindsight, I should have closed it here. I thought because of this long bar, it's going to.
Order submitted.
Okay, I have a resting order there. So how soon the characteristic changes? It was going up. I thought it will be an up day, but it came down hard. I think it's going to go down here to grab liquidity. And if that's the case, I'll perhaps not want to be in the trade. I'd rather move my stop here and get out for a loss. It's a decent size loss, I would assume, but I have to take it.
Stop bill.
And I'm going to, because
Order canceled.
market is coming down hard. So in fact, I was in a profitable situation. Now I'm in big red. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to trade this account. I'm going to trade a different account. So let's see. This is a big red account now. So I will change my account to a different one. Now I'll perhaps open it here. Okay. So is my outlook to the downside? I won't think so. I want the market to go below this line here before I consider it to be a downside market. But the characteristic has clearly changed. How it was trying to go up, and now if it breaks below this, then the situation will be different. And I hesitate to short here because market has traveled down quite a bit from one end to the other. So this is kind of tweezer top. It's trying to form here. So if that's the case, then I will try to go long, but let's see. So why I change my account is because I want to distribute risk. I have two evaluation accounts, more than two evaluation accounts. I like to distribute risk. So here I traded, and it was a new account, $573 here, $560 loss. You just saw $228 earlier I had made, and now market is trying to come back up. Let's see. I want this to close nicely up there. So I turn this on. Hoping market is going to turn.
Order submit. Order filled.
Oops. Chart trader 58. All right. Let's get the state back. So I took this trade manually. I figured, market is going to go back up to the VWAP line. So I'm hoping that I'll get a good, a decent profit here. So let's see if that happens.
Target filled.
One contract got closed. Next one. I can safely trail the stop. So market came down to grab liquidity, gave me a loss here, $560. Here, $255 I was able to recover. I'm going to take the trade again. And should have waited. I took a manual trade. So never mind. I think it's on it's a trajectory to go back up. More push. Very close, and then
Target filled.
the target filled, and it's going to go up to 53. So a couple more points. Maybe I'll keep it at 50. I move the stop to break-even level. Trailing the stop. You don't want it to get reverse after making big move, and keep trailing. Now I move it even higher. Keep trailing. Stop. So $650, guys, exactly. For 560 I lost here. I made 650 in this account. So now I don't want to give this back. So I will switch my account again. Actually, I have traded all. No, there is one more account to be traded. This account I will trade now. No, what happened? No, I traded all accounts that I had. So some are blown accounts. So this is the way I like to pass my accounts. So maybe I will try to salvage this one and see if market is favorable, and try to take small risk and recover some of these losses. So let me do that. Market is moving hard. So contrary
Order
to
submitted.
strategy, I'm going to apply.
Order filled.
And so, okay. So this account is not in luck, looks like. As soon as the trade was taken, it's reversing again. Again, see, the mistakes that I'm making for you to learn, all right? That's why this software is not meant to be a bot that you can turn on and it will make you money. It's meant to be used with discretion. It's meant to be used with your knowledge of market structure, market behavior. After it made like 5 green trades, if I try to take long trade again, it would be a risky trade, right? It could make money, but you need to understand the risk involved. So I have taken that risk and trying to um, you know almost, if I thought it made the money. No. Okay, I'm going to close this. I thought I had used all that. Um, hmm. Okay, it's a longer target than I thought.
Target filled.
Okay, it's glad I closed it. Oh, it's at 51 tick target. That's why. So I'll move it to 21 ticks. Okay. So I'll now wait for again market to consolidate and then make a move, because market has traveled this much. I reduced my loss by $60 in this trade. So I lost 500 here, but made 650 here. So net 150. What trade shall I take now? I will.
Order filled.
Oops. See. Oh, I didn't intend to take that trade. I'm going to. I should have turned this long button off before I traded.
Target filled.
Okay, got target. So $105. So one more 100 out of my. So what I wanted to do is I want a pullback. I want to take churn scalper. Or maybe it's market is pushing hard, so I have to stick to contrarian. Oh, it really pushed hard. So if I had stayed on this a trade that I closed earlier, I would have been profitable in that. So I wouldn't have incurred this loss. But that's the nature of trading. That's why I was bullish. I did not short anywhere. I was still hoping that we are in. I still believing that we are in a bull market, at least for today. So Yeah, I closed this trade early because I wanted to manage risk. What if market continued to go down? I didn't want to blow my account. I've been doing that quite a bit of late. I've been become a bit careless. I was thinking, especially because Bullnox accounts are quite inexpensive. A promotion is going on. Um, just go to Bullnox and use the code Sliver SLIVER to get Bullnox account for 1575. So very inexpensive, and I because these are not very expensive, I've been taking more risk than I normally would. But I decided, not to blow my evaluation accounts so frequently in order to pass them quickly. Um, so I
filled.
decided to close. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! This is a big shot. Okay, profit taking happening there. So I have to. Profit has been taken. Those who bought here have taken profit here. That's why you see this big red candle. Now I want to average it somewhere here at 255 level. So I'm going to turn Heikinashi and place a buy order here. So a buy order is placed here. Maybe I should show it on this chart as well. T9. All right, let's. So I like to keep two charts open, so it's I visualize in two different time frames what's going on. All right, so
Target filled.
okay, that was profitable. So another $100. So my loss is $400 now. I will close this pending order and go back to my ways of. So it was like big downside move. After profit taking happened, market resumed its upside trajectory. Actually, it's 300 now, negative 300. So I'll wait. It is waiting and deciding what to do next. I'm not particularly happy with where it is
Order
stalling,
submitted.
but I am taking a chance here. If I don't,
Order filled.
okay, I have committed to this trade. Okay, yeah, I was right. Shouldn't have taken the trade, but now that I have taken, I will try to protect my downside. Not downside. I will prepare myself to
Order
average it
submitted.
down if the need comes to it. I'm encouraged that this formed a long wick, but we'll see. We will see how it pans out.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I will try to move this target. I don't want um,
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
all right. Yeah, it's a big range bound market. It's showing uptrend in one direction, but it's reversing again and again. So um, got to be careful. After it has made like 3 to 4 bars, I should not expect to market to continue going long. I should wait for a big pullback, which I have not been doing. So I'm seeing this all kind of heat. So since it's evaluation account, I'm taking this kind of risk. Otherwise, it's not good to take this kind of risk. Hope you are learning. Those who are watching are learning how to trade, how to analyze the market, and how to trade different markets with Sliver Bullet Pro software. I wanted to give you better understanding. If I had caught this trend you would have seen. But in when at this
Order
place,
filled.
oops, what's happening? What happened here? Something happened that I don't understand. What exactly happened? No, the trade I had placed was failed. Okay. I thought there's something else happened. Okay, here. So I will move my stop here so that I don't blow up my account. Looks like it's not going to work.
Failed.
Did not work. So again, I'm back to the same situation as I was before. So I'll have to try and take some more risk and risk blowing up the account to be able to salvage um, the situation. So I'm going to
Order submitted.
place one more trade here. And if market comes down all the way here, I will get out for, I'll try to make this trade a break-even trade. Otherwise, I'm risking blowing up the account. So now market is going back to where we wanted it to. So I reduce my risk and move the target higher because that's only reasonable thing to do here. So anyway, this other accounts I am green, as you see here, but one account I'm at the risk of blowing it up. Yeah, this one is not looking good. Unless market goes back up here and I salvage the trade for break even, kind of break even. I can add to this for my position, but I'm not going to because market is stuck in this range. Hmm. So yeah, I'm glad I did not add to the position because this This didn't look good. Okay. Let's see if market came down for first standard deviation level, or some wants to go even further down. We'll know. You know what? I'm going to stop this trade. I'm not liking it. I am not happy with this trade. So
Stop filled. Order canceled.
Okay. So this, I blew this account, almost. This account is blown, but other three are profitable. So this is how we try to pass evaluations, and then so these have decent amount of profit in it, and we try to avoid losing this, we try to avoid this kind of trading in a funded account. These are all evaluation accounts, and we try to keep them safe. So next, what to do? I still have a couple of $100 left, so I can trade only micros. So if you're interested in seeing how I would trade micros, I would like to show it to you. I will turn on micros here and then Q, and then still loading. Okay. It was 58, I believe. No, it was 59. The one, well, that was 59. So we change the account. Okay. So here with pre-micros, I will take a trade when I have a clear sense of direction. It has already traveled down quite a bit, so I'm not going to short, and I'll be looking only for long trades. So when that happens, say I'll trade with maybe 3 contracts.
Order filled.
Happened. Something is not right. Oh, it didn't let me. Okay, so this account is blown actually.
Order submitted.
Okay, this is a blown account. So yeah, so what it means is I lost $15 in that account by blowing it up, but I was profitable on remaining three, which and gotten closer to passing the evaluation. So this is how we pass evaluations. I took more risk than was necessary. As you saw, I was trying to go long at the high, and right after that market turned. So those are some of the practices we should avoid. and keep in mind when we are trading. So that's all for today. Hope you learned something from this live trading. If anyone is interested in learning more about Sliver Bullet trading system, email us at info@slivertrades.com or visit www.slivertrades.com. Thank you very much for joining. Bye now.